Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make egg roast. Lots of onions in this, Indian style, in fact, Kerala for style. Eggs, great for breakfast, absolutely wonderful. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's get started on this. So, look, I've got like 3 quite large sized onions there, red onions, sliced. 1 decent sized tomato chopped, try and use a nice juicy tomato. 4 boiled eggs. We've got here some fresh green chili, slit down the middle. I've kept the seeds in. I've got a tablespoon of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Of course, this is a Kerala dish, so we're going to go for coconut oil, salt, pepper, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds, 3 teaspoons there of Kashmiri chili powder. Now, some people use chili powder and Kashmiri. I'm just going with the Kashmiri. Tiny, little teaspoon there of turmeric and some curry leaves. Absolutely wonderful this is. So I've got my pan here. I've got my coconut oil. In that goes. Let that melt. Back in a moment. Okay, just as it finishes melting, we're now going to add in our fennel seeds and our black mustard seeds. Our fresh curry leaves. And now we're going to add all of our onion. Quite a lot of onion. It's a big onion dish, this one. Medium heat, or just above a medium heat. Let's really cook these down. Probably going to be 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, these are coming along really nicely. Next up, we're going to add in that garlic and ginger. You can use garlic ginger paste if you want. I'm just going with chopped today. We're now going to add in those chilies, slit down the middle, not chopped. Salt and pepper, black pepper. A little tiny amount of turmeric. And then I'm going to go with my Kashmiri chili powder. Like I say, some people will use chili powder and Kashmiri powder. Also, some people will put a little bit of coriander in here, or maybe even a little star anise. This is the version that I'm going with today. And we're already getting those lovely, beautiful, vibrant colours. You want to keep it moving all the time now. Once you get your spices in, or your powders, you don't want to burn them. If you burn them, they're going to taste really, really bitter and ruin the dish. That applies to every time you use your spices in any dish. Okay, we're now going to go in with that little bit of tomato. And some people won't add tomato. I just like a little bit in there. Okay, we're going to go for about another 5 minutes. Get these onions really cooked. We may even get a little bit of moisture from the tomato. I'll see you then. Stay on this. Just above medium heat. And I'm going to keep this going, moving quite frequently now. Okay. They've really cooked down nicely now. You can cook them down even further if you want. Get it really happening. But I'm happy there. We've still got a little way to go. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of, maybe like a teaspoon of garam masala powder. I didn't show that to you earlier. And if you want, you can just use like a meat masala mix powder. Let's give that a little stir. Now, the eggs, the hard-boiled eggs, I just want to show you what's happened with those. What I've done with them, hard-boiled eggs, I don't know if you can see that, there's little slits. I've just sort of slit them, you know, with a knife like that. We're now going to add some water, some warm water. And I just want to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. That water will really sort of help us get those onions even cooked a little bit further. So staying on the medium heat, about another 4 or 5 minutes. And then it's time for the eggs. Hey, look, I'm back before 5 minutes. Because if you want, you can go now, get your eggs in and have this consistency. But I want to go just a little bit drier. But if you want, you can go for it just like this. Pop your eggs in, give them a little mix and we're done. But yeah, I just want to go a little bit more. It's in a few minutes. Okay, so yeah, I've kind of evaporated out most of the moisture there. Like I say, if you want, keep it nice and wet. But yeah, I like it like this because I like to, you know, grab this with my hand and get some, you know, paratha or something on there. Right, in goes the eggs. And like I say, I've just slit them. Now, I want to cook these eggs in here. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit, not to a simmer, but below a simmer. And I want to go for about another 5 minutes or so. Give it a little move around every now and then. And we're done. Delicious. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm super happy there. Check that for salt. You might want to add a touch more salt. Again, I'm all good. See you on the table. Okay, and there you go. There's our egg roast. Kerala style, beautiful with breakfast or as part of a breakfast. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up, helps us out a great deal. And more importantly, leave us a comment. We like to know that you're lovely and you're fine. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.